Passing the ISSA CPT exam starts with one key decision. This guide clarifies your path and provides a plan. Your first step is choosing the right exam. The ISSA course has a final exam, but it's DEAC accredited, which some employers don't accept. The NCCA-accredited NCCPT exam is what most major gyms require for hiring. This distinction is critical. Before you start studying, confirm which credential your target employers want. If they specify NCCA accreditation, you must prepare for the closed-book, proctored NCCPT exam. Making this choice correctly from the start saves you time and ensures your certification opens the right doors. The NCCA-accredited NCCPT exam has a specific format you need to master. You'll have 2 hours to answer 140 multiple-choice questions. Of these, 125 are scored, and 15 are unscored pretest items used for future exams. Unlike the ISSA course final, this exam is closed book and proctored either at a Prometric testing center or online. This structure demands not only knowledge, but also strong time management. Practicing under timed conditions is essential to build the pace and confidence needed to succeed. To study efficiently, focus on the most important topics first. The exam is built around 6 content domains, but 2 carry the most weight: basic and applied sciences, and program design and implementation. Each accounts for about 25% of your score. Mastering anatomy, physiology, biomechanics, and goal-aligned program design provides a strong foundation. Don't just memorize terms, practice applying them to client scenarios. This approach directly targets the areas that will have the biggest impact on your final result. A structured timeline prevents overwhelm and keeps you on track. This 12-week study plan is designed for busy adults, requiring about 6 to 10 hours per week. You'll begin with foundational sciences, move to client assessment and program design, and then cover exercise technique and nutrition. The final weeks are dedicated to timed practice exams and targeted review of your weak areas. This consistent practice exams, week-by-week approach builds knowledge systematically and ensures you are fully prepared and confident by exam day. Knowing where other candidates struggle gives you a major advantage. Many get confused about which exam pathway to follow, wasting valuable study time. Others find the scenario-based questions difficult, as they require applying knowledge, not just recalling facts. You should also expect math-based questions on topics like target heart rate and 1-rep max estimates. Finally, understanding the retake policies and your 12-month testing window is crucial to avoid costly scheduling mistakes. Prepare for these specific challenges from the beginning. Earning your ISSA CPT certification is a powerful step in your fitness career. The Bureau of Labor Statistics projects 12% employment growth for fitness trainers through 2034, with a median annual wage around $46,000. Once certified, your work isn't done. The credential is valid for 2 years, and you'll need to complete 20 hours of continuing education units, or CEUs, to recertify. This ensures your skills stay current and you continue to provide high-quality coaching to your clients. Now you have a clear roadmap to pass the ISSA CPT exam. Don't leave your success to chance. The next step is to put this plan into action by testing your knowledge. Visit open-examprep.com to access our free, comprehensive bank of practice questions covering all 6 domains. Each question includes a detailed rationale to help you learn from your mistakes and solidify your understanding. Start practicing today to build confidence and walk into your exam fully prepared.